Our top story, the Grand Alliance managed a better strike rate by transferring votes well between partners. The BJP explained after their post-mortem of their defeat in Bihar. The party is already facing massive upheaval within, with its own leaders and allies now lashing out. Its controversial ministers, for their part, continue with their out-of-turn comments. This time, a dog analogy to describe Shatrughan Sinha after he met with Nitish Kumar and Lalu Prasad after their victory.
Before the BJP top brass sat down for introspection on Bihar loss, came the rebellion. Shatrughan Sinha targeted the party leadership yet again by meeting the duo that defeated his party's top two.
जो लोग इसके लिए जिम्मेदार हैं, उन पे कार्रवाई हो ना हो, उन्हें सबक जरूर मिलना चाहिए.
Almost immediately, one of the party's controversial leaders hit back at Shatrughan Sinha using a dog analogy.
जब गाड़ी चलती है, कुत्ता नीचे चलता है, कुत्ता समझता है गाड़ी मेरे भरोसे चल रही है.
But another BJP MP Hukumdev Narayan Yadav, like ally Jitin Manjhi, went further than Sinha and targeted the RSS chief for saying there should be a rethink on quotas, something which benefits a large chunk of the backward population in Bihar.
इस आरक्षण के मामले में माननीय संघ प्रमुख के बयान ने बिहार के लोगों को अंतर से हिला दिया.
इलेक्शन के समय में ये मुद्दा उठ गया, इस चीज से बचना चाहिए था.
Before the party brass met, the BJP chief met the RSS chief and shielded him from being blamed for the loss. Shah is said to have told Bhagwat that his quota rethink comment did not hurt the BJP, that the party had no credible backward leadership, and that Nitish Lalu turned Bihar poll into upper caste versus lower caste battle. Fixing accountability for the damaging loss will be difficult for the party, as the Prime Minister was the face of the BJP's campaign and party president the chief strategist.
But the fact is that has its impact up to a particular point. But then, as I said, there may be other reasons.
As the government prepares for battle in Parliament to pass key reform bills like goods and services tax, it has to decide whether to go ahead with reforms or turn populist, act against leaders who make insensitive remarks, or continue with politics of soft Hindutva. Shweta Rajpal Kohli in Delhi, Rahul Srivastava for NDTV.